Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I know that it's kind of been a minute and I look like shit, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just tired and exhausted. I guess they're both the same thing, but I'm exhausted. And I've had the inflammation going on in my stomach, so you know. As you can see, we have crawfish. I mean, there isn't a whole lot here just because I wasn't sure how much I could eat. But it sounded so good. And I know you guys are probably going to get so tired of the crawfish mukbangs. I do have some videos coming up that I'm actually very nervous for. And I don't know when to do them because it's probably going to be very painful. Anyways, to drink today I brought some ice. There's already water in it. It's so warm here that the ice is melting fast. But we're just going to have some strawberry Fanta. So and as you can tell, it's been opened for a minute. So there's not a whole bunch of the, well, I guess there's a little. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. I tried to get the mic close enough. But yeah, that's what we're drinking today. Anyways, let's just get started. Don't need to wait for anything. But I do have a surprise for you guys on Sunday. As long as Troy's going to come in on it with me, there's going to be a big surprise and I can't wait. Sunday is just not coming fast enough. So, let's get started. You guys already know I'm like obsessed with freaking crawfish now. I just can't help it. It's so good. That's really the only thing that I've been wanting lately. It's just weird. I remember the first time I tried crawfish, and at first I wasn't really sure about it, because I mean it doesn't really have the same flavor as most seafood, so it was just super new. So you guys can see better. Look at this ginormous claw though. Like I don't, look. Or actually, let's do this one. Compared to that, this is basically like a normal claw that I normally see. This sucker is freaking huge. So crazy. I probably should have, hang on. I'm going to pull up my sleeves before my fingers get too dirty. Here we go. Put it down in the comments if you guys can guess what challenge, well, 2 challenges that I'm going to be doing are. More than likely, it won't be till like a weekend because I don't want to be suffering during the weekday. Look at that! It came right out. I didn't even have to bite it. We were supposed to have Alfredo last night for dinner, and I was going to do a mukbang with that eventually. But like I said, I've just been craving these crawfish. Also, my nose today, the only reason, like, I mean, yes, this is spicy, but I think it's just allergies now. Like where it was running before I even started eating. I've been sneezing a lot, so I think I've just got some pretty good allergies going on. I was thinking about doing potatoes, but then I was like, I really don't know how much I'm going to be able to eat, so probably shouldn't. Or rice, because with my sauce and rice, oh my gosh. Also, I know you guys are really wanting a sauce video. Like how to make my sauce and all that. But Troy thinks that I should wait for a little bit before I do that. Like at least until I get monetized and all that, so that's weird. We don't have cats or anything, but there was a hair on it. For a second I thought I still had my rubber bands in. Felt funny to chew for a second. I hope you guys are doing well. Also, if you haven't followed my Instagram yet, it's WillowBB2518. You can go follow me there and you'll get updates on when I'm uploading. So yeah. I need to remember to say that every time. I think some of you guys, like, I don't know how many I have in there right now of my Willow BBs. But yeah, you should definitely go follow my Instagram. Maybe I'll, oh, never mind. I'm tired and slightly delusional, I guess. Talking out loud. Thinking out loud. That's what I meant. Excuse me. That felt great though. So I have another question. Do you guys like it when mukbangs get messy? Because I do. I love it when mukbangs end up getting messy. Like sauce going down the face and all that. It didn't come out this time. I know this is probably what makes it so that my videos take, like, they're so long. Because I'm, like, trying to get all the meat from the claws and stuff, too. But I don't like to waste any of it. They're just so good. My sister, she came over on Saturday last weekend. She tried crawfish for the first time, and she's able to do what Kim Tai does. Just pulls the whole thing out in her teeth, like with her teeth. I can't do that until I get my braces off. Makes it very hard. Why am I struggling today? Anyways, I've missed you guys. I was going to do the challenge last weekend, but then some things happened, and so I wasn't able to. Plus, I'm a chicken shit. I'm so scared. But I want to do it. Also, I did get some good news. I don't think I've said anything about this yet, but my last braces appointment, I asked him if he still thought I'd need like another year with braces, and he said no, that I'm actually ahead of schedule. So I'm going to get them off sooner. So excited. I'm so tired of them. Ow! Poke myself. That hurt. Whoa. Hopefully I don't dip my hair in this sauce again. That was ridiculous. This sucker has some big ones on him too. I I was researching to see if there's a way you can tell if a crawfish is male or female. I think it's like they said that the females are smaller with smaller claws. It's really hard to explain, but I think that it's this part right here that you can mostly tell. Anyways. It was kind of hard to see in the pictures too, so. I wonder if maybe I just cooked them a little too long or something. That is possible. Mostly just the claw part that I'm struggling with, I guess. My nose pissing me off. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. Troy is over at his mom's making salsa. He's putting Carolina Reapers in it. Well, not all of them. But he's putting Carolina Reapers in some. I'm getting there, guys. I only have a few left. another drink already. I'm thirsty. This is good. I've kind of been craving it. I don't know why. Like, I normally don't ever crave this kind of soda. Or really even soda at all anymore. Like, I really don't crave soda that much. But I just had to have this. This is the first time I've drank any of it since I bought it. It's mostly just been the kids. I'm already getting so full, but I just need a big burp to come to relieve all that. It's a good thing I didn't do more. Holy crap. Look, this guy's head got all messed up. Like a lot. Ooh. Here, want a bite of a crawfish? Ow! Gotta be careful with these things, they're sharp. They will beat you up. There's to all my little babies who love burping. Felt great. I'm going to have to put a lot of burping in this title because holy crap. Oh my goodness, guys. I might need a nap after this. Whoa, guys. To any of my subscribers who don't like the burping, I apologize. I am getting so full. I actually think I made more than I thought I did. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Crap. Oh man. Yeah, yesterday I literally didn't eat anything because I was not feeling good at all. I don't know if I can finish, guys. I don't know. I might just have to stick these back in the freezer. Oh man. I was really hoping I'd get lucky and get some eggs though. I don't know. I'm going to try to finish. I just might need to take a nap and a hot bath after. There's no way I could do like those big eating challenges. Gosh, I look at like some people and stuff and I'm like, you are so tiny and you can eat a shit ton. Holy crap, how do you do that? I think I'm done, guys. I can't. I know that there's only 4 left, but I'll just save them for another time. I know that Sunday we're doing a seafood boil, so. And hopefully Troy will be joining me. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Share it with your friends and family. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. Until next time, see you guys in my next video. Lots of love, my Willow babies. Bye.